Of course, for us today, the good news is that there's going to be a lot of dry weather around. It's mild, it's breezy, and for the rest of the afternoon, not a lot of change. What you've got right now is pretty much what we'll see for the rest of the afternoon. Now, the satellite picture shows a lot more cloud than we had yesterday. Yesterday, remember, we had the blue skies across most of England and Wales. Today, the breaks are towards the east. Further westwards, however, this is where we've got that thick cloud coming in. So for the coasts of Wales here, drizzle on and off through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures of around about 16 degrees for Belfast as well. And the rain keeps coming in into western parts of Scotland. It's almost like a never-ending conveyor belt of moisture. But at least towards the east of Scotland, it's dry. And in fact, all the way from Aberdeen through Edinburgh, Newcastle, down into the through the Vale of York, here some sunny spells around, at least from time to time for the rest of the day. 15 degrees in London, the top temperature, certainly staying grey all afternoon, and the same goes for Southampton. And the further southwest we swing, the thicker the cloud is, and the least likely you are to see any sunshine later on today. Now then, for this evening, the good news is it stays dry across Wales and across England as well. Just a bit of mist floating and flowing luminously on the horizon. Towards Scotland, it's still raining. The rain keeps coming in. Also quite breezy as well. Very mild night, 12 degrees in Scotland, around about 9 degrees, probably the cool spot in Norwich tonight. And that means that tomorrow morning we once again wake up to perhaps a bit of mist in the south, but no more than that. Once again, grey skies, a thick layer of cloud shrouding most of England and Wales, and still the rain across northwestern parts of Scotland. In fact, quite heavy for a time tomorrow through the course of the day. Temperatures, again, possibly up to 17 in London, but remember, it's an overcast day. It's not as if it's sunny. Now, as far as Friday's concerned, some changes starting to take place. In fact, there'll probably be a little bit more brightness across England and Wales. Still rain across Scotland, goodness me. 16 degrees in Aberdeen. But as we head into the weekend, for the northern towns and cities, look at this, it brightens up. The temperatures drop. Notice Aberdeen, down from 16 to 10 or 11 degrees, so around about 5 or 6 drop. But for the south, it looks as though there'll be a little bit of rain, at least for a time, on Saturday in London and Southampton. But then by the time we get to the next day, Sunday, it looks as though it'll brighten up. So for the time being, we still have to hang on to the ghoulish clouds, but the weekend should be a little bit brighter.